Hello kids, today I will show you how to access my Google Classroom. So you will have to open a Google page. Then I'm going to click on Launchpad Login. And this is the URL in case you don't have it. It's launchpad.classlink.com/Fort So you're going to click on sign in with Microsoft. And I'm going to be using a student account. So you're going to click on your email. And it's going to ask you for your password. Alright, so then you're going to see all the apps. So the first thing that you're going to click on is the Google Classroom icon right there. And you're going to see, well, I don't know, you might have other classrooms going on in your account, but the one that you're using for my class, for my homeroom, will be 1920 5th grade. And this one was already made by Miss Wolf, so you don't need a code for it or anything. You're just going to click on it. And then you're going to see right here that I already added assignments for tomorrow. So for you guys to not get confused, all of them are going to have my name, but the one that says Ms. Rojas' homeroom is going to be for y'all, okay? The one that only says Ms. Jimenez, don't do that one. That's for my homeroom, and that's always going to be in Spanish. So you're going to click on the one that says Ms. Rojas' homeroom, okay? So even though it's already here today, it's not going to be open. I'm sorry, that's my dog. It's not going to be open until tomorrow morning, okay? So you can click on it. And here it goes. I'm sorry, guys. My dog saw another dog through the window and she went crazy. Okay, so here's my first assignment. And it kind of gives you a little information about it. So it says, hello, you will have access to the story of the week via Pearson. On your apps, click on Pearson. You will go to my classes. Then you will see the assignment for this week. You will read the story and respond to the comprehension questions on a separate piece of paper. You will have until Friday to finish it. Just remember that you also have more assignments along the week, but I have not uploaded them yet. And you also have other assignments from Ms. Rojas and your specials teachers. So here, I also made a presentation about the story of the week. I will be recording myself later on to teach you the lesson, but you're also going to see the slides on your own. And if you click on it, it's like a PowerPoint. So you'll be able to see what story we're reading, the objective, the question of the week, the vocabulary, the genre, and here's where you have the comprehension questions you need to answer on a piece of paper. The comprehension questions that you need to answer on the piece of paper, you need to save them for Friday because we're going to go over them on Friday. So that's it on how to access my Google Classroom. So just very simple, you go to Google Classroom. You click on 1920 5th grade. And then this is where you're going to see all the assignments. And remember, you only have to do the one that says Ms. Ross's homeroom. Or if there's a special assignment that both of the classes can do it, I'll put for both classes. But for now, do the one that says only Mrs. Rojas. And tomorrow, there's going to be more assignments for Achieve. Okay, so this is the first one. I just want to try it out and see if you guys can log in and stuff before I post the other ones, because I don't want you to confuse you with a lot of links. If you have any questions, go ahead and click. If you have any questions for me, you can click on the assignment and ask any questions that you have on the comments. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you guys later.